Bonjour, bienvenue. Je m'appelle AT Khoj. AT Khoj, c'est moi. So, now we are going to learn, in this lesson we are going to learn subject pronoun, subject pronoun. So, we are going to study about the subject pronoun, which are very important. Without learning the subject pronoun, I believe that you will not be able to form any sentence. Why? Because subject, pronouns and something, like you might have studied in English language, there without the subject, how can you form the sentence? I believe not possible. Because subject is what? Who does any action? Like he goes, he is teaching, and you are learning. Did you get the idea? What we are going to study? Yes, we are going to study the subjects, subject pronoun. So, as I have already gave you some example, I expect some examples from you. Are you? So, give me some examples like I, yes, that's our subject pronoun, and try some more examples, try to have some more examples. Yes. Oh, you, he, she. Oh, great. Yes, I think you got my idea. Like we are going to study that subject pronoun that you are speaking in English, that we like to learn, and that today we are going to learn in French. Okay? So as you have said, I, you, he, she. So yes, we are going to have subject pronoun here. And that subject pronoun is categorized into category like singular and plural. So first we are going to take the singular one. Here they are. Oh, I forgot. Shall I shall I speak? Here we go. Je. Repeatez après moi, please. Je. Tu. Il, elle, on, no, je is I. Je is I. In my earlier lecture, in my earlier lesson, earlier video, you might have found that je parle français, je parle français. Je parle français. Remember? Je parle. So, je is I. I speak French. So, je is subject pronoun. Okay? Je, tu. Tu is you. That we use for singular, and this we use with your familiar one or whom you know very well, to the younger one. Okay, this you is tu. So two subjects pronoun we have learned. Je, tu. Right? What is next one? Il. He. What's the next one? He. The next. She. She is elle. She is elle. Okay. Now we have learned the four subject pronoun. First is je, tu, il, elle. Repeat it with the meaning. Je, I, tu, you, il, he, elle, she. And now, what about the last one? Actually, most of the time you might have heard about, you already made some sentences like, and one should understand one should do this, one should follow the rule, right? Or sometimes we say we should follow the rule. So is used as singular, as plural too. Like you can use it having the sense, you can use it like you can use it in place of one, like one should understand, one should do this, okay? And we can also use it as plural, we, like we come, we go, or that song, like we are. Okay, so these are the singular one. Okay, let's have a look over it and repeat it once again. Je, tu, il, elle, on. Bravo. So now here we have learned these subject, okay, and subject pronoun. Here we have learned the subject pronoun, and now it's a time for, yes, it's a time to recognize and speak. So just feel it and speak, right? Je, tu, il, elle, on. Now I'm going to speak it in English and you have to speak in French, right? Ready? I, je, you, tu, he, il, she, elle, one, or we, on. Okay, that's fine. So here we have learned the singular one. I mean, you have learned the subject pronoun, the singular one. Okay, but now we are going to have some plural one. Like, have a look over the screen. There you will find the plural subjects. Okay, sorry, I forgot. Here we go. Nous, vous, il, elle. Adding S, it won't, I mean the sound will not get changed. It will remain il, elle. Okay? So, nous is we. Nous is we. Okay? And vous is you. Ah, getting confused. Tu is you and vous is you. What's the difference? Well, it's a difference of formal and informal. As I've told you, if you remember, I told you that tu, when you are using tu, that you have to use when you have somebody familiar with. If you are familiar with someone, or you're talking somebody very informally, or younger one. I mean, when you're talking to your younger one, you can use this tu. Okay? And where to use vous? Well, it's not the singular one, it's a plural one. When you are going to talk about more than one, you should use vous. Okay? And when you talk about, I would say it's a mark of respect. So if you respect someone, suppose if you like to use you for me, so what one you are going to use? Tu or vous? Vous. Thank you. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Understood? So, nous, vous. Done? Okay. Now have a look over the rest of two. Il, elle. Il be used as a plural of he, or you could say when the group of male should be presented with il. Il equivalent to they for masculine, or elle, they for feminine. Okay, so il, they for masculine, el, they for feminine, right? Now there is a question. Do you know why? Do you know what? The question is, if there is a group of male and female, then what? That's a big question. Well, if you find a group of male and female, there I would suggest to use il. You could take it as male dominating. Okay, so take this il. Suppose a group of people, like suppose 30% males are there, or 70% females are there. Though you have to use il. Okay, understood? But if you find like hundreds of people, thousands of females are there, and 2 or 3 males are there, I would suggest avoid them and use the female. Okay, so that's so I hope that you understood this plural one. Let's have a look over it once again. Nu, vu, il, el. Nu stands for, nu is we, vu is you, that's the formal one, and for the plural, and il, they for masculine, el, they for feminine, right? So I hope that you have learned all the subject, singular and plural. Now it's a time to have all the subjects to be spoken together. Are you ready? Here we go. Find all the subjects on the screen and try to read it honestly. Okay? Here we go. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Bravo. So now, at the last, this is a chance to find the missing word. Are you ready for it? Here we go. Find the list. So now you have to find which word is missing. Nu. Great. Now find another list. Now which word is missing? Okay. Il. Good. Here find another one. Je. Good. Great. Now the last. Your last chance to find the word. Okay. Well, I think it shows that you have gone through this video and you have learned it well. Okay. So, after learning it, my suggestion, keep practicing and see. Again, I would say, doing it one go, it's not just good enough to get command over. So, if you like to get command, you want to be perfect in that, you have to watch this video again. Watch it twice and thrice and get the perfection. Okay? Alright, well.